Hello, welcome back. I recently got Monster Hunter Rise and convinced one of my mates, Darcy, to play it with me. So I recorded us playing it, and here it is. Neither of us are good. I have played Monster Hunter before, but he hasn't. So the gameplay is top tier, but I am going to be putting out some videos because we've been playing a fair bit of some better fights and not just this shitty big chicken. But that will be later. If you end up liking the video, be sure to subscribe because it's a great indicator for me to see that I'm taking my channel in the right direction and people are enjoying the content and subscribing up for more. So yeah, if you like it, sub. That's all from me. I hope you enjoy it. Oh, my dog changes too. I didn't even notice.
Oh yeah. Wow.
Yeah, the jump attack, just defy physics. What the?
What's up?
Great. Oh, hello.
Hey. What's up?
Hey.
Okay.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you. Let's get on this boat, see if we can get to the training area. Little ferry. I'll pet your dog.
Hey, buddy.
How'd you pet your dog?
You got
There we go. Yeah, there we go. Give Bandit a treat. Here you go, buddy.
Stop.
Get him a whole ass sausage.
Level.
Haha, yum yum. Alright, let's go. Jump in the boat.
training area.
Cool, cool, cool. Yeah, and it shows you all the combos you can do, which is pretty cool. Here, enemy. This is Darcy and I training on this thing at 1000% speed. We were here for a bit.
I had to put down my weapon every time.
Oh,
Okay,
yo! Whee!
Whoa.
Hello. Oh, another one? Yay! That's cool as.
Almost done.
Oh yeah, I can see the unit. Subquest game, depart. Say there, has ever seen a monster that hops on my leg? I have. I've never been the same since. Okay.
Yeah. This'll be easy.
Alrighty. Alright, let's get into it. Any shit to grab. Grab what I can. Alrighty.
Giddy up.
Oh. Eek.
You ain't gonna drift your dog. Skirt!
Oh, get on him.
Skirt!
We're gonna get it.
I don't know if it's him. Alright, well, he
Oh,
wants
well.
us now, so.
Get after it.
Oh, he's flying away.
Wants to bail, you're joking. Alright. You guys.
Giddy up.
Darcy and I got humbled pretty quick in our first fight, and ultimately we failed, despite all of our training.
No, I couldn't drink it in time. It's so slow.
Rewards to. I fainted? We failed!
No.
Bro, how did I faint? I wasn't watching my health. Shit. Alright.
How do I?
I'll do. Damage taken less, speeds up weapon sharpening.
Wait, can you use multiple? Oh, you can do 3.
Yeah. And prevents you from getting knocked over.
Do medicinal.
Ella, they're cooking! They're cooking!
Pizza.
Oh, they're singing!
Order, register, selected damage set. What is it? Order.
They made me my food.
Great whack.
Oh, Jesus. Oh, I demolished that.
What an animal.
Fluffy bunny dongo. Some
You
tea.
ready? You're gonna scoff that down like an animal. You ready?
Holy shit.
Yeah, it's nuts.
Let's go.
Quest would you like?
Do you want to try and beat him again?
Yeah.
Alright,
Got my sword and shield this
Wish you
time.
luck.
I got my great sword. Let's see if it's. See if I can remember how to use it.
So then. And the dog.
Oh, is that a little? What are you doing? Who are you? Okay, he's just chilling.
You working?
Oh, he's not even pissed at us. Good.
Ooh, honey.
Oh yeah, honey.
Mega
Yoink.
potion.
Making progress.
Oh, I could have ridden it. I got it.
You can mount that one.
Let's do this.
Ow, don't hit
Yeah,
me.
Fucking everything up, bro. I'll be taking those materials.
Yeah, thank you.
It's getting away. After it. Now.
No, I'd like to not receive another hit, please.
Just hanging on to it.
Collabs.
Oh, we did a big swing.
Say goodbye.
Bang.
And with the big smack. Oh, he's angry. Golly gosh.
Here comes the pack.
Oh, the tail wag.
Thought I was out of range.
Let's have some fun.
Oh wait, did it let me?
Here comes the pain.
Rude.
Now.
You got it?
Yup.
There's an obedient dog.
That does so much damage.
Oh yeah. That's good as.
I'll take that material.
Oh yeah, finisher
Yeah.
time. Finisher. I mean a punisher. Oh, this boy's about to take some damage.
I'm gonna get this honey real quick.
Yeah, don't mind me, mate.
See ya.
Oh, ride that, ride that, ride that. Yeah. That's a new
Oh, I
guy.
got an animation. Oh,
Let's go.
Ow, he shot
Ow.
me. Taking mad damage. Oh, he broke a
oh,
rock.
why do you swing that way?
Yo. Oh, yo.
Needs fixing.
Oh, he's about to get hurt if he doesn't move. Oh, yeah.
You shouldn't have ticked me off.
Oh shit.
Targeting you.
Let me out, man. Let me out. What did I just do to my hand? I don't know. Oh no. Well,
Don't let it get you down.
I'm dead.
That's my
Oh, we did it.
Oh,
piece of cake. Victory.
oh, fuck, man.
Leader.
Oh, okay, make sure you harvest this bitch.
I'll be taking
Oh, well done, Darcy.
Well done.
Fuck, man, I had no pots and I was very low.
Oh, right after to keep doing it.
Hmm?
You can keep doing it.
Yeah, we can do it a few times. Bitch. Subquest done.
That takes care of that.
Oh. What did you think of that?
It was good.
Good. You liked it?
Yeah. Yeah.
That's good. That's pretty fun.
Gotcha.
Fucking oh. He shouldn't have been that hard. Fuck, he was tough. He
I
didn't want to
know.
die.